Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly advance your calendar without changing your view. So, in a previous video, we talked about the view name, which you can go up here to select your view, whichever one you like. And then these two arrows over here will advance your calendar one view at a time, depending on which arrow you are clicking on. So if you want the previous 2 weeks from here, you can see that. If you click on this one, you can advance 2 weeks at a time, and you can just quickly advance while maintaining that default view for your calendar that you appreciate, that you like, that you prefer. And that's just a really quick way to do that, advancing into the future or into the past to analyze those events.